Hey guys, let's go ahead and install the Husky Liners Exact Contour floor liners on this 24 Tacoma. So I've already got the factory floor mats pulled out of here. So if you've got the factory floor liners in here, this will be turned 90 degrees and that's the locked position. So you just want to turn those to the unlocked position, then lift it up and pull it out. Okay, now here is our liner. It's going to be very simple. First, make sure that the seat is all the way back. What we're going to do is we're going to kind of fold it in a little bit and then work the front end underneath the pedals. Once that front is underneath the pedals, just simply line these up to the factory fasteners and set it in place. Then turn the fasteners to lock it in. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Okay, so for the rear, this is our rear floor liner. Now let me just kind of lay it out over top of the back seat real quick. If you get this out of the box and there's a little bit of a crease in it, that's natural. Best way to get that crease out is just leave it laying out for a little bit or hit it with a hairdryer and it'll calm down real quick. We're gonna take the back edge and just kind of stand it up and set it in place right here. You also wanna make sure that both of your front seats are all the way forward and upright. Makes it a lot less frustrating. And then once we have it kind of set up in place here, we're just going to lay them down. Set the other side. And then we're good to go. Well, we're all done. Now your truck's ready for all life has to throw at it.